Alright, so my job shadowing would be on physical therapy. The therapist I worked with is Sarah Whiteside over at Provena Physical Rehab and Sports Injury Center back in January. My role during this would be as an observer as well as a patient due to me having surgery and needing therapy in order to return to doing any physical exercises. Throughout the course of 2 months, I was a patient of Miss Whiteside as she helped me get back into doing sports, and on the 27th of January I came in to observe her with other patients, noticing some similarities as well as some differences between when I was working with Miss Whiteside and when she was working with another patient with a different injury. The concepts that remain the same is that good nature spirit with a goal in mind of making sure the patient receives the best care as possible and improving their physical state of health as well. Things that changed are the exercises she implemented, as one of the patients she worked with had a sprained ankle while I had a torn meniscus. I also witnessed one of the most common challenges a therapist may deal with, the patient themselves. While many are glad they're going there to get some help, others don't have the same attitude, but this is where the therapist must remain having a good nature spirit, always trying to help the patient with any problem they have. Becoming a physical therapist requires many years of education and special training in areas such as kinesiology, anatomy, biology, and physical fitness. Many physical therapists also receive training in patient psychology to better understand and help clients cope with emotional challenges that come with a physical injury or disorder, allowing the therapist to make the experience that much better for the patient. Physical therapists also need many different skills to perform their responsibilities effectively. They benefit from strong observational skills when diagnosing patient problems, evaluating treatments, and providing care. A large part of being a physical therapist requires standing up while providing manual therapy and therapeutic exercises, which causes physical stamina to be very important as well. Finally, those that want to learn how to become a physical therapist should enjoy working with people and have the necessary communication skills to explain treatment programs and be able to motivate patients. All states require physical therapists to become licensed. The licensing requirement can vary from state to state, but all include passing the National Physical Therapy Examination, which is administered by the Federation of State Boards of Physical Therapy. As of 2014, a therapist's mean annual salary was $83,940 with a mean hourly rate of $40.35. For the Chicago Joliet-Naperville Metropolitan Division, they had an annual mean salary of $79,000 with an hourly mean wage of $38,000. Overall, this experience proved to be very beneficial as it gave me a better insight to the skills and education that is needed to become a physical therapist, as well as showing what physical therapists must go through on a daily basis.